there. Today we're talking about 4 tips to help make you a successful trader or a better trader if you're already trading. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Tela Holcomb. I'm your trading and investment coach, and I teach you how to create a monthly income and build a financial legacy through trading and investing in the stock market. So any stocks or investments that I mention here is just for educational purposes. I'm just trying to help educate everyone on investing so that it is a more obtainable goal for everyone. So anything that I mention here is not a recommendation to go and buy those companies or those stocks. It's just to help get the message out and to educate everyone. So let's get into it. 4 tips to make you a successful trader. The first one is control your emotions. When we're dealing with money, we get scared, we get greedy, and we tend to make some bad decisions. We will get scared and get out of a trade sooner than we should, or we'll get greedy and, like in the casino, double down and lose everything. So when you're trading, it's important to keep your emotions out of the picture and to make educated decisions based off of your charts and what you know and what you learn, what you know about that company, the indicators that are on your charts if you know how to read the charts, and not make those decisions based on how you're feeling or if you're scared or if you're concerned with losing the money, or like I said, being greedy, because those will definitely end up in you losing money, because we tend to make some bad decisions when those emotions come into play. So learn how to control your emotions. Number 2 is don't try to pick the top or the bottom. A lot of people want to, when they know a stock is going to go up, they want to pick, they want to get in it before it starts going up. They want to get that entire up movement because they don't want to miss a penny. But the problem with that is you don't know when it's going to stop going up, and you don't know when it's going to start going up. So if you stop trying to pick the bottom and the top of a movement, an up movement or a down movement, the better off you'll be. If you just try to get a piece of the movement in the middle, just try to get a piece in the middle, then you'll have much more luck that way, instead of trying to guess when it's going to stop going up or when it's going to start going up, and vice versa, when it's going to stop going down or when it's going to start going down, because we don't know. We're all speculating out here and going off of what we know history wise, and looking at the charts and seeing what it's telling us price wise and things like that. So if you stop trying to pick a bottom and a top of a movement, your chances of having a successful trade will improve, because you're not trying to pick that top and bottom, because it's hard to choose. It's hard to determine or guess or predict when it's going to stop going up or down. Okay, so tip number 3 is have a trading plan. A lot of people are out there trading and just buying and selling with no plan in place. They don't know why they're buying it. They don't know when they're planning on selling it. They don't have a clue at all, and that is dangerous for your money. You want to know when you're selling it. You want to know why you're buying it. So have a trading plan in place. And in your trading plan, like I said, you want to detail when you're going to buy it. What price are you buying it at? Why are you buying it? Is there a trend that's going on? Are they coming out with a new product? What is it that is causing you to buy this particular stock? Or what is it that's making you want to buy this particular stock? And are you trading it or are you investing in it? So what point are you going to sell it? Are you going to sell it when you've made $1 per share, $2 per share, $10 per share? You want to know this before you get in a trade, so that you know when to get out of the trade. Because if you're in the trade and you don't know when you're going to get out, that means you're probably trying to guess a top or a bottom, and you're just in it for no reason. There's no game plan. It's just like having a budget in your family. You want to know what your game plan is. You want to know at what point, what are you saving for? What are you, how long are you sticking to this plan? And that's what a trading plan does for you. It helps you determine when you're going to get in and why, and when you're going to get out and why. And it just helps you keep your money intact, honestly, sticking to a trading plan. So tip number 4, trust your charts. It is important to learn how to read stock charts, because those are going to give you your indicators on if a trend is occurring, if a stock is starting to go up or if a stock is going to go down. And it's also going to allow you to determine when a trend has stopped. So if a stock was going up, you are able to draw trend lines or look at different indicators and determine, okay, this stock is probably not going to keep going up right now at this point, and I'm either, sticking to my trading plan, which is a dollar amount or a specific indicator on my chart to get out. So now my chart has indicated I need to get out or I need to get in, and that's what we're looking for. So it's important to be able to read stock charts and trust those charts. Like, that's what you need to go off of. That's part of your trading plan, is sticking to what your charts are telling you. Which leads me to I said 4 tips, I have 5. Which leads me to my 5th tip is don't trust gurus. Even me. I'm not even saying I'm a guru, but this relates to tip number 4, is you want to rely on your charts and not a guru per se or expert, because they're speculating just like we are. They are just speculating. So if your chart is telling you one thing and some guru or expert is telling you something else, go with what your chart is telling you. Okay, so that's why I don't give out stock tips, and that's why I don't recommend taking stock tips, because you don't know why they're giving you that tip or why they believe what they believe. And by the time they give you this tip, it's probably too late to enter that move. If you're looking at the charts themselves, it's probably too late at that point if you're taking this tip from someone. By the time you get there and can move the money and get in the trade, it's done, it's over with. And then it's not working for you and you're like, I shouldn't have listened to that guy or girl. You see what I'm saying? So I don't listen to or I don't take stock tips from someone, because it's not my trade. If I didn't find it, I don't see it, it's not my trade, it's not for me. So those were I said 4, but this is 5 tips. I guess 4 and 5 can relate to each other, right? So number 1, control your emotions. 2, don't try to pick the top or the bottom. 3 is have a trading plan. And 4, trust your charts. And 5, don't listen to a guru or take trading tips. All right? So you guys enjoy your Sunday. Hope you all are having a great weekend, and I'll catch you guys next Sunday. Bye.